Google Cloud Digital Leader Certification question. A company utilizes BigQuery as the primary data storage. A particular task you often execute focuses on intense analytics over short durations spanning the recent days. Which pricing structure would be most suitable for this scenario? A. Flex slots. B. On-demand pricing. C. Flat rate reservations. D. You don't need a pricing model for the initial 2 TB of query data processed every month since it's free. Correct answer A. Flex slots. Explanation. BigQuery Flex slots are ideal for cyclical workloads that require additional capacity, or for workloads that need to process a large volume of data within a short period. Utilizing reserved slots for a brief duration can be more cost-effective in such cases. Under the on-demand pricing model, you are billed based on the amount of data processed by each query. The per byte scanned billing model offers the advantage of paying only for the resources utilized, with the scanned data serving as a measure of compute consumption. This is particularly beneficial when dealing with a known workload size for a short time frame. BigQuery monthly and annual reservations are suitable for ensuring cost predictability and guaranteeing capacity for workloads with SLAs. For analytics requirements that exceed 1 TB per month, except for small temporary projects, it is advisable to plan for better pricing options. Keywords. BigQuery as the primary data storage specifies the platform being used for data storage and analysis over short durations spanning the recent days. Describes the nature and duration of the workload. Subscribe and follow us.